In this video, we are going to discuss about how global apps scale across different regions and different countries. Spinning up servers in regions where you have lot of users like in India, UK, Singapore won't magically scale your app. Each region have different time and time zone standards like IST, EST, GMT and other standard time zones. These time zones cause time conflicts in your application. The problem can be classified in three levels. In application level, client's device request time and server's response time mismatches. It can cause error in your application. In infrastructure level, if your server in your region running in same local time may go down and your app connects to different server in any other region running in different time zone can cause error. Database server in different time zone can also cause time conflicts and creates deadlock like situation. In operational level, monitoring your server traffic in a particular time may provide wrong results because of these time conflicts. Debugging your server logs can be difficult across various regions. Now we move to the solution. UTC, Coordinated Universal Time, is your new best friend. Now we see how we solve the problem in each level. In application level, the app backend logic can be written in any programming language, but you might have seen some code in the request and response object. All the request and response object contains the time object like timestamps with the time object modified to UTC. This code can modify the client's device local time to UTC while the client is sending requests to the server. In infrastructure level, setting up all your servers and database servers to UTC. This makes the client and server run in same time standard, which is UTC. Do you know major cloud providers like AWS, Azure, GCP provide servers which have time set to UTC by default to avoid these time conflicts and time related issues. In operational level, while monitoring your app, server and database using Grafana, CloudWatch or ELK, while creating dashboards in these monitoring apps, configure your dashboard time which set to UTC and train your team to always operate in UTC time zones. I hope you learned something new today. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.